formulary changes. It may not be cheaper right away. Like I said, we may see it become cheaper over time. Those mid-year formulary prohibitions can't change until the following January. And rebates could also play a role in impacting the formularies. So companies that offer the best rebates may still be preferred over the biosimilar because they've negotiated the dollar signs already. It may not always be cheaper for the patient. And so there are a lot of negotiation activities that go on behind the scenes before they roll out what your plan will look like. I know there were some questions about Medicare versus employer-based insurance costs or the commercial plans. Currently, my knowledge is that many biologics, so self-injectables, are not covered by Medicare. Will the cost for biosimilars be covered in any portion of Medicare remains to be seen. For example, a common question we hear is, my medication isn't covered by A or B Medicare, the traditional Medicare. Will that change because of biosimilars? I think it's unclear at this point. We are still waiting for a lot of information. Remember, this is kind of brand new to the system. A lot of new questions are popping up. We're having constant conversations. And you may be wondering, like, is this going to be covered at all? My first advice would be to call your insurance company and ask, talk to your doctor and ask, but your insurance company will be your best bet regarding any of your very specific questions. And of course, our helpline with the Arthritis Foundation is here to support and help you too. Our position statement from the Arthritis Foundation, you can see it on our website, says that, again, we believe patients should have access to their formulary and should be the ones that are realizing those cost savings. So anytime that prior authorization, which is a tool that payers, your insurance company, will use to increase the uptake of biosimilars, we're not sure if this is going to happen. We don't know how it's going to affect, specific biosimilars or not. I think it remains to be seen what this might look like. We know, $2,000 is still a very high out-of-pocket cost for most people, and especially when you're a chronic patient and you're hit that maximum out-of-pocket cost maybe in January, February, March at the latest. So I do anticipate that we will see some kind of manufacturer copay assistance, and increasingly, as we see more products, we might see additional services as well.